your new me. Okay, so speaking of new me, I got me some new weave, as y'all can see. I done went blonde for the new year. This was a fail though. I was trying to get like to an ash blonde, but we came out with the honey blonde. She's still cute, but just not where I want it to be, and that's why I'm here right now. At least I have to pick up some more bleach, and I'm gonna get some more toner and stuff, just so I can try to really come into the new year exactly how I want it to be, because I did not want, even though it's cute, I just did not want to be honey blonde. I wanted that real boom bam blonde. Yes. And I'm also, the closure is all, so we rewinding, we doing this all the way over. Like I said, I snatched the closure out because I'm about to take this sewing down. Like, y'all, yes, I did a whole sew in, and I'm taking it out because I really want to do this ash blonde color. Like, I'm just not giving up. I'm not giving up. So what we about to do is this little hair vlog. I'm about to take y'all with me on this journey. So I'm gonna take this sewing out. We're gonna recolor the hair. I'm gonna install the sewing all over again. We're gonna do like a nice little cut, you know what I'm saying? Something cute, something snazzy, something jazzy for 2018. Boy, what you doing? Nothing professional and fancy, just taking y'all with me, trying to reattempt this color. Let's dig into what I got. Let's dig into what I got from Sally's. Like, I have to keep these on deck. This 100 pack is just life. Our weaving cap, this is for when I do my new sewing. I'm gonna go ahead and use the net this time. Got some quick white. I had to get that cheap bleach because, girl, I use all my real fancy expensive bleach on this wave. Got the 40 volume developer. The fun stuff, I got the shimmer light shampoo, y'all, blonde and silver shampoo. I ran out of my other one, and this is really vital. It's real vital in trying to get, you know, knocking out them yellow tones. These Willa. I'm not doing a color this time. I decided to just go ahead and lift it and tone it because I feel like, what you doing, boy? Like, once I lift it this time, it'll really get to that level I need it to be, and then I can just go ahead and throw the toner on there. T18, which is the lightest ash blonde. Got 4 boxes of those. Wella cream developer 20 volume. We finna start this process all over again. Oh, I'm sitting on the ground when I got a whole mirror, a whole station up here, and I'm on the ground struggling. Behind the scenes of Tierra J Beauty. This is Tierra J Beauty after dark. In this hair vlog, y'all gonna see all the realness of how this filming thing goes for me. I'm being quiet because it's 4:32 a.m. y'all. I'm looking so crazy, but this is like the only time I get to get stuff done. A lot of people think that being a YouTuber is super easy. You stay at home, you ain't gotta do nothing, you sitting on your butt on the computer. But y'all, it's a lot of work, for real, for us, and especially when you got kids. I'm gonna wash my hair a little bit later throughout the day. Right now, what I'm gonna focus on is dun, 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 dun. Liquidy. All right, so I got my bleach all mixed up and I got my hair set out. I got so much work to do, but yeah, I might have to do the black part twice to get it like to the level I need it to be. But yeah, I'm coloring the whole thing. Third mix, y'all. Third. You might as well just go ahead and buy the damn 613 here that already come blonde. This is so much work. This better come out cute. We just gonna say a prayer for this hair right now. I want y'all to just bow your heads and close your eyes with me. Lord, please watch over these bundles. Lord, lift us higher in these levels. Lift the level, yes. Let it lift without breakage. Let it lift gloriously. Amen. Okay, if the camera will focus though, like what? I'm gonna be using the Shimmer Light shampoo. I'm gonna just put the shampoo on each bundle at a time and let that shampoo sit over there. Here's how the hair is looking. Of course, we got that ombre effect going on because I did go ahead and lighten those darker parts. So now that's like honey blonde and it's like gonna fade into the ash blonde. I think that'll be cute. But I am not, girl, no, I'm done with bleach. Like, this is it. And this hair, like, honestly, I did not expect it to still look this good. I got a little bit of shedding. That's how much shedding I got. Still nice and soft. Like, what? I got the T18 toner, which is the lightest ash blonde. 1 part color, 2 parts developer. I'm about to show y'all what that means. 1 bottle of toner. I'm taking the 20 volume developer. 1, 2. Color whiz, and it's so cute. Here we go, moment of truth. Oh, look at that, baby. This fantastic. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'm about to go ahead and rinse this off. Next time y'all see me, this hair is gonna be in my head. I have my little sewing. The next time y'all see me, we gonna see how this color came out. So, all right. Do y'all see this? This is and she flying on. Oh man, I'ma just cut this. We did all of that for a fail. This is probably the worst color job I have ever done in my life. I'm going back red.